Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Mbebano mwanjumuri ribono nande ne chinga kichiri chabene ko kwariani SMS yiga ne na sumuro bere to jitwa kwanda siasa na magendro environment ne roro ekaroli ko oliarero bonanda bageni bane bakire ase studio ekarto kwanda mangana mange roba ikirege gando jinna fikyo ikirege bonsi baguru fiki ekingo jinde ko bali baga banyare bago kwana amo nanje kurbono wika chisezo jabono mami ona mangtora jukwanda litkura rekronande siasa tinde to konne do jukwanda siasa mano turali na mbiribi bya kwari indekaro siasa ko gendra namagendro winyirana nabo kwanda gotubwati asensemeri yimitanda Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News boga asensemeri ya YouTube nabo tonya asensema ya Facebook nabo tonyora Ndizi TV News digital boga asensemo ya YouTube nabo tonyora Ndizi TV News boga nabo to tweet @Ndizi TV News kanka kiao ketume gotira senambe ira seskini ya handa fikiri baga ara kwa introduction alafu tumekwenda somogen iyo karore litura roje una ni kwenda nabageni babere ase studio
mbia mano mano mito Brighton and abagusi abaligedi banspina abakwanje mbia muri mwensi asamali tankuru kuona rebo Vicky nyabo Onderi the women aspirant Kisii County inkuba kwani mbia muri lero litukulia le ntore no mugoko munene kwanyanko nakubagi nkubatena omogeni wito Vicky pata sapulto kolega sinere alese consulate ya Greece lero no aliga ariko nyanko batebi igoro ye chiro e market ye bintu byeito chikawa echai amatoke lero uchire bwie ko munyene no tore ko moga ye weekend makuru moisonde otebya abantu une chiro yatokire bona era bwie ko munyene lakini atebera na tigamurenta una togendete ko gendo mwana mturande bya mwana Ndizi TV abaga togendete ko tebya abantu amangana yayiga una tokona kwenda chikanisa toenda matanga tuagenda Catholic SD atoko abantu bari gatat for awareness creation and capacity building. That's why tolega igalero ko batebi andiko atenga itoko genda guchie nime bango na kitu abekire yo guchiko gendere binte bi mbia muno
igo manje muri kwa ibure ntaramo gani one ribaga ntaramo akwane noroje batebiri fikora era sirage nene ko mwande ribaga akwane atutebire ningo ekero kirase mese to eri ko rero na mangdo ju kwanera torore nambiombe kibiri ba konyire wetera fiki wetengoli yare kiro kyo bugumende ase county ya Kisii nene ko to era sato atoerena na alia ya ba koli na alia balengete ko chukora sense ito ya Kenya kona ire libali abene okwarigania asomoro birio to kwanda siasa ne tindi lakini siasa gendere pira magendero igonto konye kama gendere krabero no yokurie kero ni gakogoka ase ense ito ya Kenya ona iri bali abantu kwariania asumuro biriyo bobene obena inche go ikomwelio abagani bana se studio bono tomali boliao ekeroraga ni kuboli sense meli yemitandao sense meli ende yesimiyere gorabo na boto boliao ototebinga kyoto bwate nande yuraga ni kuboli ande katukwa na igoro ya Kenya nense ya Greece mbwa matekebwate kwene kuna na wale bindo birito bwate ugonjori no na matoke MSC bindo bwate twasimigire ngakibiga kasense meli ende tonyore echiro na kwari na senjira ya bene erinde obe 90 goika omwelio. And it's time now that I want to give you an opportunity so that you can do an introduction so that the viewers can understand who is in the studio.
Good morning. I am Vicky Pantazopoulou, Home Consul of Republic of Kenya in Hellenic Republic. I am here at Kisii County, fourth time. I started to visit Kisii and to start the cooperation with County of Kisii before 3 years. We started with the University of Kisii. And we discussed with the Vice Chancellor and we saw the opportunities that we can start to cooperate with Greece. And as I promised that period, we are happy because at the 20th of June, I was here again with the Vice Chancellor of the University of Greece, which it's one of the best universities. It's the first in Greece and fourth in Europe, and 500 at the world. and both vice chancellor discuss a strategic program how we can cooperate with Kisi, and of course not only with Kisi, this university.
In Kenya large.
Yes, already signing an agreement with the Nairobi University.
So, but in Kisi, we are interested that you have just come to Kisi University and you need to cooperate with it. The first thing that I would like to know, how is the relationship between Kenya and the Greece?
The last years, the relationship between Kenya and Greece, they progress very well, although to not forget that we passed 2 years with the COVID without delegations. But from 2010, because that period the Kenyan government nominated me as honorary consul of Kenya to Greece, we had already created the Kenyan Greek Chamber of Commerce, Industry, Tourism, Culture and Shipping. We had organized 2 big delegations with companies. The first at 2013, they arrived in Kenya for first time 470 companies, Greek companies. The next years, 2014, also the big number of companies. At 2018, for the Blue Economy Conference, the Greek delegation was one of the biggest. And also we gave official to Greece one project for shipping, how to connect Kenya with one port of Greece, because Kenya is the hub for East African country, and Greece is the hub for Southeast Europe. And the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ministry of Transportation, of Shipping, they are enthusiastic. And now for Greek side we are ready. We have the ship owners, we have the governors and the ports where we create this basic for the Kenya products to transfer to Europe. And now I am optimist that very soon with the new government we finalize this big project.
Thank you, Madam Vicky. Manjumuri nugu tena yesterday igorona kiubwa mate buense ya Kenya na Greece ngakibandete ane kabandete ko bekemero beri kwene kimuna aba Kenya ngokonye kawale egati yobwa matobu wechinse jibere mandi yange Vicky inyaboke nerarato erake nerarato tena ki Vicky bale na Vicky inki kenanga balengete kokorase county ya Kisi Vicky libaniro
mbye muno mwanjo omutegereri kubakira mbye muno konyana bangu nakuberesa rore bintu twakorera gucyo no mu Vicky mu ambassador ito o Greece nande gari enthusiastic iga yani no kwaliri na ukwana na kya konya Kenya ebintu twabiri to gukora na baresire na riri buna kigaba na cyachete ito kigaba na kirore because agriculture in Kenya agriculture is a dual function to what national government
bonda to tebya abancho bari side yedi na barubara go tegera
abancho bategereri
bari bamuina na barabanga
abancho bategereri abantu Kenya ito mu maite to government ibiri national government na county government egento kyako to ateta na kigaba na abantu kulwana kinke kora kigaba na cyari kora enda umbu guika kigende kirole kero cyarorire kikoirana ebe gasiraisi ekine kinse ibere mu roche kinse ibere guika to bange naki ebintu byeito egento kyagerete ngacyandika kuri yiciro nege kora mu maite ni mwate laboratory ya matoke lakini ntubwati asitoko ne matoka ito ikire kiyajandri myaka yonspi echiro market ya matoka ito na Vicky otokonye nabate Kenya house na nachi kwenda kwenye bange kwenye kwanira Kenya house yiga asitoko chikuru na mwe na diri Balkan countries Greece bintu byeito byeta yage bororo
igora ko te abuna grafiki banda swali gaiga igona bo twanyorire chiro
echiro nere na kiacha kuba enekeria na kitwa morenteire tokogenda gweta chikanisa kuba buna kweresiriga ore na kitwa iterete chigaba na chietiri metige baraga chisa for function serikali nene yanjira ni omo speaker ito ase parliament ayo spia aitiri twakori egento bono kero na actualization na kitoko implement bono goiko na abantu bono especially a coffee very straightforward na rona mo bole na umungi na bono e coffee ito na igabanya njete ya grease
ibo ngoje turaseseme turigireri amangana bono ya agriculture mono
plani na kitu anirosi na kitu kubanga ko ile bitu chungu
Madam Vicky, now I want to ask a certain another question. What are some of the projects being in Kisii? Now we want to sing out what are some projects that we have initiated in Kisii County?
Okay, thank you for the critical questions. When I visited Kisii for first time, and I saw plenty bananas on the road, avocado on the road, and when I bought some for myself, and I saw the price, which was nothing, it was big surprise for me. And I wonder how these people, how the farmers will survive. Because they have their products on the road, how many to sell locally? The others, they will go for garbage, how say.
Yes.
And banana and avocado in Europe, they have very high price. I know special in Greece because I like avocado, personal. You know, when I go to the market, not to the supermarket, to market, the citizen market, the avocado, before the crisis, because now the prices upgrade, it was €3.50 per kilo. That means it is around €1 per piece, per avocado. Okay, and here it's 10 cents. Okay, also to add the profit, to add the transportation, of course, the transportation, it's expensive, etc. We have enough balance for profit, but this profit must go to the farmers. We can't take for 10 shillings and the farmers, they have not nothing after that. It's not enough. All this make me to start to work to my mind what to do. And the second which I saw, I saw near to the market and on the road all these rubbish, the garbages, and say this is gold. It's not garbages. And after that, when I come back to Greece, I discuss with the universities, with the specific people, companies, what we can do for the Kisii products. And not forget the coffee.
Yes.
I start with the sensitive things, banana and avocado, because they have not a long time life.
Yes.
But of course about coffee. When I taste the Kisii coffee, after that now, the last 3 years, I'm drinking Kisii coffee. And I drink 1 kilo per week.
Per week?
Yes, as the Kenya they drink so much tea, I am, and also in Greece the majority they drink tea.
Yes.
And I come back with some proposals, what we can do with the sensitive products, the fruits, and what we can, with the coffee and tea and the nuts and all other products. About the bananas and avocado, it's very important to cooperate with the farmers, to see how they grow up all these products, what they need to support according to the international standards. The second step is to certificate banana and avocado and coffee and tea as origin Kisii banana. So to have this brand international, nobody can use Kisi banana if it is not from Kisi. This will give add value to the products, and it's one direction for the European Union, the products to have the original certification. This is which I'm ready to cooperate here with the governor and all the local authorities, with the farmers, the cooperative, to certificate these products. We have one organization in Greece, we have experience, and we are ready to do this. This is the first step. The second, we need at Kisi to create one logistic center with packaging, with international packages. We can't throw the avocado and banana on the road because they destroyed. For the farm, we will go direct to the packaging factory. They separate according to the category A, B, C. They package this with international standard and we export to Europe.
Okay, thank you. Mwajumuri onu gwete na kifikianda toto ranene kraro chemi chanda bantu bagwetera sichichiro akarafuka de kare koni gu asiri go liugo tugitera karana basikoro si jira senseri ya Greece na boto konyeka buno mugusi na matoke fiki muri na fiki onde ngakia uroje ejire neroro mugusi na meden na manya jire neroro gose ni
ugituwa kogera twa murentire wiyeke kwaniri ama tukamangi na bele ngoberese twanyore chiro Greece twanyore chiro galia because na tunagukwana enteranera abantu bana ndina bagoserwa siringa 50 chitatokonye none kero twachite kwenda ucharing chira abantu bakurwandira bacha segali baratachwe na nebesa batete siringa 50 umuntu na bakumiti sana agante bineke na kitu taite gukora immediately agereke konya abantu barubutaka ime gasenchire we are going to alleviate poverty through organized all what we have really done. We are going to create jobs in which torikoro chigasi asabana youth una tabirina aggregation yeyo chikokorwa packaging factory to chikobeka abuna abana bago chikori kworo na okwanira obuye bwa viki igakwana na ndokora no muntu chiri chinse chinyinge chia world orori bintu buna bigo korwa na obuye bwa viki una kwa igutu aleta the vice chancellor ya Greece bekere technology transfer na ki technology kurumbu especially technology ya matoke which korosi wine ero kuchare konyo kwandira umbu wine they are the best in Greece. So that's why batete koleta mangana awine also as buna toko kora ebinde buna batete na toko kora grading packaging na ndego ikan kuchitoro twale winery na technology umbu to chikorusi na go train baristas in hotels abana bari bo chi hotel barosi ai keroga ngende bakurumbu especially tourism kuchare konyo kwandira na Greece experience that 5 million tourists because to attract even 1% you 3.5 million tourists kabago ka Kenya kawe batete kunywa nere batete korra ya gaira ebuna international standards chiago bona na kitu acheto create awareness capacity building na implementation and to work in serikali mbia mono national government in county government they have created an enabling environment for us to co implement ya mangana ya
Nara kuna morning Brighton na wageni tuko locked in my grandma terrific to translate that there is grandma cannot point and audio from the soldier. Somebody is saying that Vicky is going to help us for translation so that
what you are saying
we can do a recap
yes we'll do that.
Bono Vicky and the Irana say Vicky Nandurambona are you getting some support from the local government as you need to implement this project?
Till now, yes, we have support from the governor who is finished now his duty, because he also visited Greece. With they came last September and October to Greece, 18 governors with local authorities and membership of the local government, and was the head of the first delegation, our governor here of Kisi, and we focus in agricultural sector and the recycling sectors. So we visit some factories. They show how Greece have high standards. They show also from the farms to the factories how we produce in high level our products. They visit the winery, they visit the olive oil factories, and they was enthusiastic. And really, it's not compliment. They told all the governors for the both delegations that look, Vicky, we have visited Europe. There we feel foreigners. In Greece, it's so warm, the hospitality, so welcome Kenya to Greece. We feel so comfortable. Of course, we had created a full program. They have not 1 minute to I wanted to see as more as it's possible. And not only about the products. We visit marathon, we visit Ancient Olympic, about the sports. And we really appreciate because also the governor show how important it's to create here one we say mobile unit recycling for waste
management.
Yes, in order to separate all the products, and at the end, this is the most important, we create compost in order to give the compost to the farmers to have bio products.
Before Vicky translates a bit right for our grandmothers, how long is it going to take for this project to be implemented so that our farmers
Yes, because when we arrived here with the expert manager of the company, and we had a presentation here in the county office with the governor and all of the officials, and they accepted this project because it's simple, cheap, and easy to start up. And after that, we went to the COG and we present the same project to all of governors of Kenya. We transfer all this information to all the governors. But as you know, because we have election, it's not possible to have also the time. It's not enough for implementation of this office. And, all we know that before the election we cannot do these big projects.
Okay, after election you will implement.
Yes.
Fiki bono lende na bokora iraniri yake na kwande na bokora basiri yake sali ya grandmother wetu akeyo.
Yes. Thank you very much. What Vicky is trying to say is ntu atiete nechiga na china batetiga na 18 Greece ya first delegation na second delegation. The first delegation saying our governor James Malungwa is the national vice chair of the at the Council of Governors. Akaridi the first delegation. The second delegation ekabared na Balchok eliba itoga na Professor Kaemba. Ekaratu achete ngumbu chigabana chima buna ateba tukaenda tuka visit chiwainari buna mwaigu chi factory cha oil the best in the world. Toka visit chiwainari chichao grapes across wine une toko nyuma Samari kanisa buna tigo tumeko Catholic the wines na chichiri the best chiko mungu ekagira toka tebeke tuwe kuri chiwainari echi na into toro chiwainari chitu cha matoke to export chiwainari amatoke ku chingumbu to import chiwainari chitu kuri Samari iko itoko batoko compliment chi country echi bere iko we are not competing in the products echi ya ebi to biko ngumbu na into to ira garia no na biye biko kwa elesa akara to achetu aligereti ndo aligereti amana waste management technology ya batebana it is movable ko bizuko kurasa ya mu chia sa ya akara to aligereti mugabana itekera aligereti na ba bete enthusiastic ya batebana ka kini mbato oboja gorega moboroji nyambera even Catholic they were asking this because it's next to their churches. It is a big mess here in the county and the whole country agateba ga kamoranje ga hakium akabori expert kirite odore no anjo Kenya nkwarora ntu amurenta akaiga no mwarenge na Viki tukamurenta akakwanira abantu akarora gavana akabange meeting ibuna kwa whatever ne chief minister chaye tukaikana tukakwana tukarosina kibantu ko implement lakini singe ndio chikura cheikire ana kina ko tabia abantu naki governor is an office oyo nonyo code kugenda ntu achagete process so the new government which is going to come in we are going to continue
ongo ikatara utobora ni goro ya serikali raso ego sine chikore te challenge ayoroje ebintebi fikiato eresi mbikira ne korengana naye
yes go ikabikirane umwana minto Brian ebintebi Brighton goikabikirane egeko garase twarure na tambe eni myaka 12 enoro gendo bi myaka 12
bitikirane tibina abano koriye kirogo metanto na bawo jagoita magera na kwarota na fikima
yeah go Vicky is asking me that this thing is going to be done it especially me they will ask me here
because
they will
Vicky
get
is
me
just close to
here that they will throw stones to me. I've told that Vicky keeps her word and she's here and that's why she's here and I'll make sure Vicky, she's a Kenyan and she's a Kisi and she died in Kenya and she died in Kisi. So don't have a problem.
Kinga kiora demo gusire ndege nene binte to kwana mbiji goikirana Viki kirogo tubiga mere.
Ebinte bigango chibire goikirana kyakogera kero muruchi twachagete nera bigireria. Ebinte twachakire serikali yanchiranire. You have gotten the goodwill of the government. So mbichi kokoleka na hande cheruma itena kingo implement the big four agenda. No Kenyatta na Mama Ngina. Na rora ebinte twakolire big four agenda. Food security, manufacturing. Bibi are very translated. Ocha even like serikali ende ya Raila 10 agendas. Never serikali ende
ya Kenya kwanza.
Ya Kenya kwanza. Bon simbabi buate in their minds. What we want is the government, any government which is going to come, national and the county. They are very critical to our people, and we will make sure na kitu acheire with the Viki bono toko ande chikanisa. Manya Viki omo ambassador ocha wikira kwa ande chikanisa kwa eresa no chimuna enthusiastic. Korana kia konya abantu baitu nande ko tabina Viki yako kwana na kokora ekera chiti last time tukaenda prisons akaraba abana bona bachandegete omongina ko bwatu mwana tabwati magosa ko bwate ekera digiriti aga feel it already immediately akagora echarani kuna mungu wako nke echarani tokaira already so already she says and she does so nande hotel no ni tambako letali biso ni nechi bagi no income generating activity go chikoira bikonda mungu bioni
in environment
no ko moraiga entago kwana she'll do it.
I think now before we go to a break, I would like to ask you this question. What about we are going to have another government? We are going to do transition. Do you think that the next government is going to take the initiative that you have started?
I'm sure that any next government, because all they have interest. To upgrade Kenya, to upgrade the economy, and all the candidates, they know that it's the only solution to protect our products, to protect and support strong the agriculture sector, because this is the heavy industry of Kenya, the agriculture sector. So I am sure that there is no any Kenyans from the simple citizen till the next president who have not interest to support the agriculture sector of Kenya and of course the environment and all these things around the environment. So I'm so sure for this. And 1 second from my side, because I am honorary consul of Kenya to Greece, but with my political background in Greece and in the world general, I have big support and big experience about the economy diplomacy. For this, I believe that I am able, with the cooperation with the government, national and local, we succeed and we have very soon the implementation of all this.
Thank you, Viki. Thank you both, Viki. Umanyumura nuwede na bako era na bwa toko semerune serikali ndera so usengenya kwanza usena simio munane chikogenderi emerobiri bacha kire asensi to ya Kenya no nase county to ya Kisii amatoke chiabukato amo nebintu bindi. Tatura siumi asensa miridi studio gata utomachichumbe chino ngoira na tore tosuka.
TV obwansu bw'omugusi. Enyagitari ya Tenacious Herbal Center nigo bakurwalia gutumika amaryogo yemete amarwire buna asthma, arthritis gusoko bimba kwa maboko n'amaguru, fibroids, diabetes gusoko burwire bw'isukari, cancer chonsi, libido obuboro burwire bw'ikinguru cy'abasacha, high blood pressure gukeyo bulito bw'umubiri, amarwire yerisangwa, chi allergy, gastritis, fistula, bronchitis, epilepsy, ulcers, insomnia na yanda mange.
Kimashini cheito gochigo kurigere choka nduto koereza bunoru arete wata tebina yiga buna boti bikorara gabu ngoigunde bobe igabu gentu gete na gintu gete ngokorekana kiri ekara tu anyorre tu akorire to konyoro murwiro oyo atakire gokorru massage ntubwate bitanda bya massage ntubwata abanyagitari bakora massage.
Naboku mwakiresimi omudirekta bw'enyagitari yo Dr. Joel Umayo ase namba enoti isano na ibere isano nemo kianda ibere inya isano gosumurikire email gochia info@tenaciousherbal.co.ke Waigo naboku batarira ase nsemo ya kisi jogo ase barai kugenda Nyamira enyumba ya uraiti Tenacious Herbal Center ububweni uregene kubwatekana nobonye bwito bwige kigetambe asense mu yebinto by'ugutumika istima nigo ya enekigo buna nigo kubinyora imiyeduke yemo ya light tower asirigurianse nasobwamo nigo tubwate chitaya buna colored lead light ebirobu bya fluorescent fittings snake lights chandelier lights downlighter security lights na motion sensor lights boigo tubwate assorted garden lights conduits fitting sockets industrial sockets na insulator switches neji socket chechingencho chonsi boigo tubwate chi ceiling fitting chi cable au meter boxes switch boxes, chief fuse, circuit breaker, conductors, earth rods, consumer boards, power extensions, fridge guards, showers na lamp holders. Boigo ngo supply bare ime Nyamira, Migori, Kilgoris, Homa Bay, Kisii nechize muchieta naine. Naboku tutarira ime yomo chokisi asamagacho a old Sansora building angenegete sini kanene gechigari goso to akirisimi ase namba enoti isano na ibere yemo inyemara kabire enoti isano nemo gose enoti isano na inye noti isano nemo isano na isato enoti eyemo isato Light Tower, your one-stop shop and electrical fitting.
Kesi County Anchire Oyongo Avegavana Omoske Manson Oyongo Nyamweya Oyokoboria ekeroge kega kyobo gavana wetera ase kiama gya KNC alama yayo ereke bungo nigebe kirange kegima gochiko konemeremo ekerora mochore koba egavana yao gati yaria aroberetiko chiko korera ayo momenyi we county ya Kisii ngamo na ase obonchoreria na chikoene kianga asa tukiragia yogokorera obonchoreria abasae tibaratigara maega na chikoene kianga amaganio abo ao obeire gakuyarigereria
Oyonga agende county atoletere amagenderero atoletere biashara biratokonye buna basae
atotebanga oburayi bono tetuboira somuge omurayi oyo itumansono yonge kiagenero atokonye atoroseri chipara kuti mashinani mari nonyera mangana yo gwakana ti school fees ti basari igota bwati kounderi konde wens
nabo igasense moya mache na arigererie amacha tokire kero momenyi anyora mache nense moye chisemi boigo na chikoena na chibasari asabana baria batari kwenyara ase obo chenu na arigererie chinyagitari asokoenekia amariogo n'abanyagitari mbararo boigo komesia chipara ase ncherego chibeka elami gati yayande amange
moko mbwatesi ebeze county ninyerende nyebage buya kere nyomba ke amariogo chipara chitoke amache mbaletere kyo cyamache njiroro so tiamba teriga yasaba kunechi nkoro chino tare pisa mwakiro Oyongo obugavana
aka ekure yao ase Manson Oyongo Nyamweya eliwo kinia magendero ase county ya Kisii
basa momba dise obugavana obotaka boke korwe mechi yeito
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
mbemo no manjumuri kanandere gutobwati ane nasomoro birdu ane do kwanda siasa na magenda groturi ngetena na leo jio kana asa magenda gusie groturi na fiki Onderi oyokuri kero kyobo gumane pase county ya Kisii na fiki ambassador korwa sinzameri ya Greece to kwanda mangana mange kero baruna bwo bagani bane beri tukira ni jingu wa kero mbemo na kero jwa tukuri Ndizi TV ne ro bwansu bomma gusi ndoja abantu madara to tumachi SMS no ko kisomande ko ne yora na boka ndo tubwati sinzameri ya mitandao Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News digital wega sinzameri ya YouTube na boto tonyora Ndizi TV News na boto tweet @Ndizi TV News usekerangelekea ukitumwe kwetera se namba ira skini yao asinjira ya bene fiki tudar ekartwanda sumutumbo ayabona ukoriye kero inki uraganirie binte bibe implemented as a county ya Kisii
njebuna njengori kero nande na ligi 2017 abagusiba minto byemono mukaga chikura chance pira kinenga kyanya saine ndonge tinchi tigotiga okora buna tingiri tikura na ni round area ese ngenje chero murai meto ntwato murai ndwate politician njeno murai a leader is different a leader koma chwa na kigo konya abantu baitu na abire ngorigi chire imyaka 12 ya eri na kiroche kyakogerekera kwambo naki mbikorekane omwana omuntu twachakire a process na kinago ta vitu achagete process by chiga bana koenda because agreement devolve function twachire twatware meeting na mamo DG Nema and director general Nema yito ali na Nairobi esa ngana waste management twatware meeting ne
abantu barari abange
abantu bano unanya ndate kubairesa bono inkubaterira we can make sure ibintu byabeire na matuko ikomito tigareti twaenda chikura it doesn't matter after chikura na bato kwenda ku implement teriko chikoteba kana kiko senkoire go setoireti yenechi program to bwato mwana mito chigo chikogenda na gote binaki njebye kani batera laboratory ya matoke and that's why I could give market ya matoke bono egento twarigiri all value chain yeri toke kurumu chaka no bakomweri otabwa ati chiro no tware ibinde byose pimbosa na kigeko gara naki inchebuna nko sapra matoke kenyengima na andi na bongo chikogendera na rigiri technology ye amangana ntu akwana no ACS magoa na andi nko irorera rero torosi policy bichiko na murikire cabinet memo to ikaranza tukakwana aganjira nake na matatina amatoka ari egwe school the first market ne review ogwetie matoka ari egwe school ye tukakwana viki omo auditor nero onema to colleagues como nema bono ore auditor ya education agante they are doing reforms inkwenda bali banyebeke to kubeke policy iri gwetaiga to kubetwara revenue chambers tuanze ku create jobs iga matoke kokorareki ero ku market wanyore twakwana CS munya factory nere ya rosi kuna European Union na Kisii County erega iga ekorosio bosi 10% yo bosi bodi na abatebi boburukani guna we are importing wheat
even bintu bonoraga nibu no magumene bu kokorkana
security immediately and ready any process
umagani tutakira kekene fiki now fiki come to you say that you are focusing on agriculture. What are some areas? What are other areas you are focusing on?
Till now, I have worked for the sports, and exactly we create with the government mandate of Singishu the all you know now the Eldoret Marathon race. How it's happened? Government mandate visit Greece twice. He saw also the opportunities with Greece, and also he attended the Greek athletic marathon. And he told me, look, Vicky, we have the best runners, we are the land of champions, and we have not our local marathon. And immediately when he come back, create the marathon race. After that, every year I visit this marathon. And last year I brought from Greece 1,000 olive tree in order to create one friendship park from our athletics between Kenya and Greece. Because you know that the olive tree, it's the tree for the peace and the friendship.
Yes.
What about the education? Because recently you used the education.
Yes, about the education, it's very important that the two universities, the biggest universities, signed this agreement, which means that they will start to exchange students via Erasmus program. They will cooperate for research, and also we cooperate with the research and other kind of programs in order to take funds from European Union, because the Greek university take every year billion from European Union. Now he will start now to cooperate with the Kenyan university, not only Nairobi, but Kisii and other university, and they will exchange all these programs and of course the technology in all the sectors. This is very, very important that we succeeded, and I believe because also the Vice Chancellor here in Kisii and in Nairobi University and the Greek, they are very active, both of them, and this agreement will start to have results very soon.
Thank you. I'm Derima from Nyamaje, Tatukumanaza Vision, na mgeni wako naye huku sehemu ya Nyamaje. Hajawahi kuja atafute kula. Last time alisema she will come but hajawahi kuja.
Asante sana.
Nyamaje tena ngonya koroga Nyamaje. Ngonya goira no nifikio.
Ago ese ngicho tamanyiti. Naona alingi Nyamaje Paris last week. Ikakuwa na aba shirika ba Nyamaje Katoliki paka kiroba watu gusangire ororo.
Lakini unabona nyore Jumamosi hapa ndeka kanisa.
Nabona nyore Jumamosi inko enda chikambi na tembe kwenda chikambi ne chikatoliki ase nkomera abantu abangi. Na rero bono tigamwerese. Mbiye mono unabori. Rero nkwenda tuli buna tukurwa immediately nyama gotoka na nyama kwa Paris, nkwenda tuli Nyamache Paris, kurwa nkwenda tuli Nyamarambe Paris, kwenda tuli Tabaka Paris. Jumamosi ndokwa tomuroberio woko muira na kiro chengo muira sa abantu barabange egera bakwanire. Jumamosi nkwenda tuli New Life SDA Church, nkwenda tuli Kisii Central Church, nkwenda tuli Gekom Church, nkwenda tuli Mesa ari se tomagina chikanisa chikari 20, nkwenda tuli Ororo, nkwenda tuli Magina Central na Magina ari SDA.
Ngegora mo focus kwenda
chikanisa chikambi chigenderete ne chiparisi tubate mama kwa mama itwaro che program yiga esengi chama tukayatigarite na inchete ko omungino yokomoreta ai weekend mu Mombasa tirigento kirira isi akanchire sengi ncharo libinto na mokoreire ntokokora nere guchingumbu na agaiga na kigia kogera tu abangire nere muire asa abantu barabange nabo tena we are creating awareness na kito guchiko implement program ye so guikamuira asa abantu bari onye last week na renge nyari bari omuindi asa matanga renge mwishimiwa muindi abantu bari ngabanga akabakwanira tukaenda Nyacheki akabakwanira koigure igo kwenda ndande achiri Nyamache bogitutu na rengo last week igo kwenda ndande bogirango oikangu kore ki constituency tuwate kiana igo na atembre kumwira kire constituency egera onde tateba buna ntura ikasobo lakini ande twachira Ndizi TV kweresera abantu rekindo sitimirogeri paka sande arega yamba kamande ali akwira no uchina Nairobi otemire onkonyire egere erorere na abantu akwane nande mbiye mu ngoro Nyakigogi
abantu berorere
Nyakigogi ntware ngoro igoro thanks to a father ya Nyakigogi ekagoka sana thanks to our bishop Father Mairura Bishop Mairura lordship na ndento chito mumbere egere ni chifada chinde egere na ndo mungi no tebiri kuti ale cross region tourism kuti grisi ko 35 million na nde Paul no arigete agetabu gya Paul no arigete in Athens bono to chito bange na chaire aba father na aba pastor paende berorera no nekero bakurambiria abantu babarandirie gintu barochi
mbemo no fikinara odana mtoto wa Kidasi. Thanks for the updates na otori me yomorobelio ya kabisa na Arbitrus Kiondi kegesale odana adorigireti asenjerangi ya kabisa Kemisobi Motangi watching you loud and clear mbiyamono asokoreta baganya studio didi Nyakara Monda nera otana mbiyamono no alime yomorobelio to endete gukwana semambi yaboniga Edwin Machabe nera otana mbiyamono sabagani bamboreri inche nimbwate umugondo timbwa TV meli no nibe motoke mbande tere Kelly Estelle atana no alime yomorobelio Jackson Nyandabu nera otana mbiyamono as okoleta omosongo as studio mbiyamono Jackson as na evidence bya nara kuna senior mokaya otana mbiyamono as abagania studio tigaga aki tuimoki ebirengo bya obolemia sorongoro usikiagera bya sarikire fikino gotena about mama boliga na kitura konya bolemia ba ekarana na batana obolemia basarikire tumakara somgen
na bibi tuwale ku discuss na Vicky they are asking about the seedlings, how they are going to get it. To achieve a structure, a plan. Never want to achieve. One of the create awareness. Now, and the one of my so we are working also with the Commodities Fund, Minister of Agriculture, Minister Eto, APSC Eto, and I already a request, which is Minister thanks to PSO Wino. Now, Namoricate request, and the Timoricate request, about wait to batch by seedlings, chamatoke, fingerings, as it was a or fisheries, una youths, the circular economy. Bono na alikre propose you, don't you even after elections, to alikre, and also development partners, the banks. What I usually do, Nekaronko and Natavanaki, the Big Four agenda, to alika a request to private partners, development partners, the government, everybody, to alika request. Avantonga, Avantona Baba, Evintonga, even Konako Nandi, Nako other parts, Nagusi, Nyamira. So even they were already, Topato Mubango to Abangrina Vicky, through the cooperatives. We are going to form the cooperative channel for Medsanemo, Chomosi, Sanamo Chomosi. One or two which could use the Mama Kwa Mama, Chicanisi Chiga, to make it through Oro, to buy a Tebiga, through the cold rooms, the ripening chambers, the collection points, aggregation points, packaging points, a biospin job creation, a BB banket, and no affirmative action. Chibas, a children want to come back and then go back about a Chibas, affirmative action, a scenario.
Fiki, you said that because of some challenges that you show farmer vendors, banana avocado vendors, they were passing through, you decided that you are going to help them to get a market. Have you identified some groups who are going to benefit from this initiative?
Look, I'm sure that we will have a benefit because I will work very hard to succeed all this, to transfer our product to Europe. And also, it's ready one program which knows also the central government, the local government, about the Kenyan house to Greece. This is very important because we'll be the first African countries which will have in Greece a Kenyan house. And in Athens, they have the similars, United States, German, Italy, France, Portugal, UK, all the big countries. Can you imagine if we create also the Kenyan house, which also represent all the African countries. In this Kenya house, we will have annual exhibition with the Kenyan products. We will have annual exhibition with arts, because we have so many arts and they have not an open window to the Europe. I visit also Kibera and I saw many arts. We must help all Kenyan arts to go to abroad. To promote our history. Kenya, it's not only safari, have history. So it's the best place in Athens where it's the town of democracy, of the philosopher, where give the civilization to the Europe, to all the world, to have a Kenyan house. It will upgrade the prestige of Kenya, that it's in the same level of Europe, and have to show not only products, you need products, arts, sports, culture, and special history. This is very important to create this Kenya house. It will be the key to open all the doors and to export everything that we have to all the world.
Do you think that in Kisi we have enough things, bananas and avocado, we have the market so that we can export?
The market is ready. Special for coffee, we have already made the necessary research. We are ready. Now about the banana and avocado, we discuss with the Greek big importers, how to bring the bananas and the avocado. They agree to take all these products, but will do what I told before, the processing, certification and the packaging. The market is ready. Already we discussed about the market more than 3 years.
Nani Fiki, I'm going to nyora bantu barba kwa chibroka. Karamon ba igure no ene gente ke gigo chikochak. Kiura ba kwande barba.
She is asking about the brokers. We are not going to have brokers. We have organized very clearly tuavangire na kebinte which kwenda ngumbu how these things are going to go, because these brokers are the ones which makes the farmer not to get the money. Brokers get a lot of money, and at the end of the day the farmer is not motivated. As here there's nothing like that. We are going to organize how it's going to go direct to Grace. And that's why we are going to have collection points, aggregation points, and everything. We have worked on that, and so that we create, I'm sorry, I'm talking in English. We abantu baminto tuabangire byamono mangana chi broker takayo ebina bibya togechiri ntibika nasimita matoke chi kaisano ekerono ngo chikonia komera konyo chi broker chiga pesa tori konyora bono na kinta kete kurusiri abantu wants p ekere amatoka twanyarusi from the farm to aggregation packaging ya wasto chikonya pack bya agenda ngumbu yagera abana bayinu na uba uchikore gasi ororo na intwe gasi ite market twarosi mbake kama ni chikonyaira ku chingumbu na kyakurukorwa pakana kyakwana ku chingumbu na kyoro chetu achire nere mbake ground okwanira ne chikanisa okwanira kera tutu are cooperative chiri ne cheino intwe gasi ito no go facilitate to provide an enabling environment go facilitate na kema toka akuruga iga na kyawika ngumbu ne na kiche bakade chikuru abuna ko igura atebire obuye kwa basongo ekero batebire bibagokora ande mbate ikyobokora ande mbate ikyuborimo egasi yabo na kyoro chena moletera ki inchuga okwanira bategereri ntitoende mpaka chikanisa ntitoenda omera inyora barabantu obaeresa ebieka egasi ane cheno go translate negasi ane go facilitate connection aki wikira na kibintu bikora
Vicky, what about the industries? Are you planning that the Kisii County can have industries of banana, avocado? So because we have been missing industries, that's why we don't have
look, with banana, we can start to produce banana wine and the banana liqueur. This is sweet liqueur. And about the avocado, it's rich fruits. We can take the oil of avocado, which is used for the cosmetics. They have so other healthy, useful. So it's not only to take the fresh avocado. We can produce so many other products from avocado to sell after that. Especially the avocado oil.
Cosmetics.
Kibono fikiroje muraj kubatana na fikionde asensema yoboteneri ene kwa guna liliate bana ensemeri asingishu manda wera kagenda kala mebire kabor into county to inki ko gera ibintu bitu bikonyorwa
bono buna troche se intindikero bono nganje tindikero kendio ya serikali no manyete lakini na akorire ibintu byeke na Viki buna mo manyete buna gukwana na ndega gakora ekero kitabete ndume tena abantu bakwana gakora tari to kwanya na kingo teberia abantu baminto omugusiasa otegerete otebyo muirio otebyo amatuko ikomya tigarete monkombeke kero geke imbwaterane no mungino buna mwigure obuye bwayo oyo muna momoro chegana serikali yabo ya ngumbu nero onye bwatererete ogerire ibintu byose bigokorekana ekana political TDA chairman manya chaya ito teriko Europe and also because not European Union standard lakini bono iga otoro seindi erekera guchikonyonia is easier ekobere bwangu konyonia ande guchikore ebinte guchibire konyarekana kokorekana na kikwaro tu amoreteire na ando anchiranire guchikokore ebinte biga una twabibangire ena especially mangana sports na kwaiwa amangana marathon ne yubura wata na kando manda kakakora ande ko request inde gaiga Vicky is asking that we went to Mandago we did that one. And also you are going to do in Kisii also because marathon also we have marathon in Kisii Nyantika. Imagine sports, we have our sports people but there is no child society but we don't have motivation especially from our leaders. We need them like Mandago, the way you see the way they run when you go to Greece, number 1, number 2, number 3 Kenyans but they come from so we are going to start an academia sports academy also in Kisii and also the marathon and I'm requesting Vicky where all the viewers are seeing that also she will bring the trees which the peace the olive trees to Kisii. We'll have a park even in Nyangweta forest we plant there in the Kisii University land which is going to create the relationship of peace between the two countries because already we are working with the Kisii University, we are working in the Tua University. Also we bring those olive trees. We planted Nyangweta forest. It will show the goodwill. And I know that one Vicky can do and can answer that one.
Permit me to say something. This it's very important. From the last delegation to Greece, already Bomet County signing an MOU agreement as a twinning county with Ilia County, in which in Greece, in which county it's also the ancient Olympic, where start the Olympic Games. So we can cooperate with the next governor to see in which other county of Greece we signing one MOU of agreement, and because also in the MOU with Bomet, including ancient Olympia, and of course the marathon, etc., we can cooperate all together to organize in ancient Olympia as soon as possible one Kenyan conference focus in the sports and the history inside in the ancient Olympic. So I'm sure that the next governor will come, will see all this. We're signing MOU with another county, and we have a strong relationship and program between the counties.
What
to
about,
continue.
What about those people who can disown the MOUs? Maybe there's some other regime is coming on, and there are some MOUs that we have signed with the current governor. What is your take? Or what your advice to the becoming governor?
It was so simple. When the governor Hilary Barchok visited Greece and this county, and I saw that it's also agriculture area, etc. He asked me, Vicky, I would like to be twinning county with this county. Of course, I wrote official to the governor. He accepted. They passed from the committee. All the committee accepted. We exchanged the draft agreement. They agree both sides, and it is ready.
Yes.
And after the elections, they will visit Kenya. The Greek side will visit Kenya.
Yes.
Watching live from Magena, salimia Miss Onderi na nafiki mwingine akote mosongo. Watching live from Magena. Magenere Goro Chisama Macho.
We're going on Saturday. They have greeted you already and welcomed you already.
Yes, welcome. Thank you. Mbiyamano nara nero tena mbiyamano nimba bwatia senjerendo nkapsa ya mo kwanda mbiya agirgaja ya gura sorongro usi ka kiaro konyeka etwale koimokereria igoro ebirengo via amagendero mbiyamano bankwanire studio nanjina ago kirimono asingencho yumurubiri mubwate no etorasi siasa tigaturgireria magendero aito aske gochi bosiom mbiyamano ekeroba endrete go toma ama message yabo just studio fiki.
Yes.
Bono mugumendebu otakete baswa sekiruke mugumendebu nakira chikora emirimo nebyombe binde eri kwene kuna abantu abakora bonjo lingo kwanye kabali
nakiro che mwana minto already nje na bekire program a strategy oto kwake na Vicky kwenye implement and rigere di strategy onye toko kwa Kenya ngima kusinerera tusinya bana baminto bona ndo chenche no onde nere inje mubwate akiro chiri nchikora moira isiko kose nkora moretanka turakora nande nakina bangire tuwa bangina ngwamboli nanke kwanda mama kwa mama baba kwa baba umete ekero okonyo mungina wakonyire zingima nakiro che focus riti abangina BSDA ba katoliki ba ruturandi tali na ne chikanse je bali nkunya wikira nonde nero rante bina no yankani sende buna no nsune kaninche ngende na mambi chuma ndogwate bona erotisho bali bako temperature toko chago chakira busongo toete masimba toende keroka toche magena toche mugonga toche busongo eta unyingima bali batararora tole no mungino momorore na maisa ino egere buna achire na kitu achire studio kubaeresera oanchire ko agoteba na shildai Kenya and shildai kissing na bona bagusi igabanchete na kiro chebinte bitwa kwanire biro biko ikatobiko
omondo rabara
na cooperative na bitwa chiteba the cooperatives abangina tuchikobeka into cooperatives then we have a union kato atware union of course uchikopa na Kenya ngima that's why we work with national government na county government
omondo rabara boli fikina ki ni gogotumia fiki onde asinge joku irige siasa takete bono rusi birengere ebyo osobate ni gomutumia ge siasa osini gomutumia ideko ndesika
ebine bintu twa gesekero nanse ta komoreta ga ite siasa yarengi viki tukolitanga enga kentanga na mareta tane ka twangi Kisi University inga mareta ku Kisi University tugacha Kisi Polytechnic round ne kero ngore bitebyo spininje gwakana kokore bitebyo ite siasa yarengi bono iga chikurangire tinyira kwikangenda ko bikora era bumbwate italizia ene laboratory ekorosia matoke ego sapra kenyingi korigie market yeyu itali manganajo yechi siasa ina abateri naki inchino murai oko make sure abantu baito nande I'm not self centered I'm people centered oko konya abantu naki emyaka 12 nakito nkorigie chiro totaranyora I'm so happy tatina ki tuanyorire chiro ekerekero murimi maiteri toke kero kuros value added ikon 1000 instead of 200 shillings so na kinchen waneti toko nyori chiro ya matoka itu na tuanyorire ya ichiro yichikawa ichiro yechai una toko kura iga chikura kwanda tone chifa chancellor aba chifada chibishop abaremi bagende bachikwerorera because vikiaba tena seeing is believing and touching we'll go to Greece they see when we come to implement it becomes easy. Yes.
Madam Fiki, our ambassador, and I come to you. Do you have any trainings that you have done to the farmers so that they can be aware about the market and this product they are going to produce?
We must start this seminar as soon as possible. I'm waiting now the new authorities in order to come back with the specific program about the training, what we would like to do exactly. And I have already one team with a scientific professor from Greece, which they are ready to come here to help in this sector.
Thank you, Ngomentore. From Pastor Job Obara of WCDA, Fiki has a mind that captures aspirations. Ya omogusi omoremi. She deserves a fighting chance to deliver. Mono Pastor Job Obara so gutumana ikangeria. Indongeri war komenta Fiki.
Indongeri komenta buna vikere saigo. The programs and capacity building. That's why Alet Ntua. Ntua the biggest university and is the chairman of all the universities in Greece. Ntua area engineering. But in a University na tebete biamono na ila kwa tachi program European Union ko bafani chiva chini kimna mwebuti billion. Na chichi twaro siri mani gora kwa chite fisheries marine yuruganya nguru. Ntwaro china kitogo chikolike project proposal twanchira ne 20 yechi university a polytechnic na a community. Ekero chikoligwa ichigo chana youths na kitogo chiko create awareness. Nechi scholarship ichiri exchange programs. Already with the Tuku University ekero twasaini na Nairobi University mangana waina rinebinte biga na Tuku University ntwa tatengo chitoro kora US courses. Already ngo chakatole exchange programs. Abazungu barumbu acha Kenya basomya abana baitu baenda ngumbu. Mweto bakwenda kero banse kwenda bakwe kuchari banya chigasi baenda. Ono kana to kwana abantu bare Greece bakorega 1000 lakini abange naroche nabayikoyo nabaruya nente bona kiteta bagusiba ito banyorere nchire twa chakiri eyo ni opportunity enene umanyite wikatorigererio opportunity comes once tergo chakabere tonye jusi bona iga buna tumugwatega iga atokonya abana baitu bagende ngumbu chi scholarship amana mupira kwa royo narangi uchi Portugal na bie bitogo tebana ki etita
abantu betome mama yako baba iruja sisi
because a talent ya bana mbagwate lakini nturanyore nchire yoko genda igoni bintu na bibingu chikuchaka ne bana na ira chikora gusetinyirete
ko gendere inje ngoro kwa kevo ni gonkobori matokeki batagete asimekwe na aliye kiganda gose na yokuyega. This one is asking which type of bananas they should plant.
Yeah, the varieties of bananas we have ripening and we have cooking. Like the ripening varieties we have the Fear 17, we have Grand 9, we have also cooking variety.
Lakini aralibona hata kirasmi kuna yoko yekwa kusina yokon.
Mono for the winery we have the ripening variety. Una yoe kiganda, una matoka yeye kiganda bona teba the tissue culture amatoka yama ya chire. Eka nato chikorosi wine. Aya cooking ande na bato chikogenda egera yaragenda kuri buchusku. Igo nto buchusino na matoka ito, na ne sukari bito. Igo to buchusimeka chi variety chons but mono buna yeye wine korosi wine. Aya ande to chibuna bona Grand 9 ili kwa mali nene linga naida. Igo kwa about 120 kg.
Abari mimba bata matoka yu fiki boni gozo kweta counting ma nonyora matoka yu abari mimba edo wasi.
Yes, tu anzete kokora tissue agriculture emyaka etano yere kurumaiga abantu basimikira amatoke echiro muna kwe gutwanira kiumbu weta gweta chiro teyo naye no mugusi olwete tegerera chiro ntugatia amatoke ritoke rikono 200
atire amatoke ano isaini
amatoke naro bono tukenda gusimika ekatu achakire kana kinango tebine ngo tutware program yechi kanisa yechi cooperative tuchikwabeka chi cooperative to wakina national government county government to set aside besa muna njengo choswa ikero kyo women affirmative action to produce seedlings chinyinge to kora contract farming to akwa amatoke and to acha to akogori to abeka collection point aggregation point to akole the whole value chain.
I was just asking if we have enough bananas so that we can produce for the market. Yes, you said that we have enough.
And we more.
This is very good.
Do you believe that we have enough?
I believe that we have enough, but not forget that international the banana, it's a very sensitive trade, and it's very difficult to involve because the banana it's like cartel in Europe. And they brought from Latin America ships of banana. But we start to export our bananas because we are not able to cancel this importation from the Latin America, to be realistic. But we have a piece of the cake of the market for the Kenyan banana because really it's much better, this more taste, more sweet. So we produce as how say a delicate banana. It's not to cover all the others. So we have, and if we say that it's bio, okay, that means that we have one piece of the people, of the market with the people which research about the biological products. This is my opinion.
I'm afraid from...
Bio, maybe people cannot get it to be translated.
Yes, a minute.
A minute for what she's talking about is like... the banana really talk for example no boyo or waste management biodegradable fertilizer oboyo botari bol which chemical aba songo mbale very keen ekarbona kitu chokora traceability ekarto na kitu chikotwara chi group cheito ekarto kosimeka bako bwati bako train bacha barra na yego maene motumeti chi chemical yugono ekotwara ligori igoro akiamineti beyo imagine sometimes they will not understand what you have said.
Nara kuna njem Fred from Kyoge atana kwa kware kura anande mbe mwati security issues atana mukwane nere namba ya utumire abango kwa namba nende mugambe nere nabwate ya komonyerera nene muski kuchibosyo mbe mana sabarmanda tu tumachi SMS in Ujase studio. We have said about agricultural products, but in Kisii County we have what we call soapstone.
Yes.
What about soapstone?
This.
Yeah.
Yes, in my last visit I went there to the factory and I took, I don't remember, 6 kilos of pieces of the soapstone. Already in the consulate in Athens for 13 years, almost 13 years, I bought from the, the Masai market in Nairobi soapstones and give us gift to all the people who visited the consulate, all my visit with the government people, and really they like too much. And especially when I offer the soapstone for elephant, I say that this is a good luck because elephant is for the good luck. I would like to organize one exhibition only with soapstone in Athens. For this reason also I met in my last trip the ambassador for culture in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. She agreed to help my actions for this exhibition. The only problem for this, which I would like to discuss with the governor next time, is that we need the support how to transfer this to Greece because they are very heavy.
And sometimes they are delicate.
Yes, for the shipping cost.
Yes.
This is already something that I have started with, and I have found also the place where to make this exhibition. It's the place from the University of Arts.
Oh, yeah.
So all they will visit it.
Yes,
in Athens.
Thank you. Omaje Obongi from Birongo, apart from agriculture, how will Vicky help the community, more so the orphans and the people living with disability? My thought to Vicky on that. I think the question has been dedicated to Vicky, the politician, not the Vicky, the ambassador.
Exactly.
Thank you very much. As Nana Tebeti, Ekarango Chokole, Birongo, Yospi, Ningo to focus as Abangena, Abantu Babuato, Walema, Abantu Abana Youth, Abana Sporty, Bonspi. Na Ekatu Chikoli, Kananabanto, Marigre. Iga torochinto batera para toribona ya matoke kusitoro ko ka factory ya winery ntuchiko tutwara tori e factory de angana waste management especially na west eka tuchikolika bana we catholic re to make sure na twabekiro yomo o disability twabekiro mo no yomo na bantu bonse banyore libagari yabo lyabene inche ebine bintu redingo kora na ndenge ndeta ko na bichiko bakorera ekerongo chiko nyansaye wo wancha bako ngati kule chiga chibesa chiri chibekira affirmative action guchikoliye chigurupo in fact nje inkoba to kubangana ki problem kimogwate chenkote community development nsombere te community development igoni understand tina ki oikocho boli abantu problem kimogwate mugwatera neko kora kuba konya so abu bon spin babwegite umuntu
no bade birengere
byabo no andi twaleka last time na bereste na kingo chikuba konya lakini ate bana de racing chonde no mugeni tutete to engage na kiago to konya bono
buya
gocha no ene ko tutara tabo kikukwana mangana ito
buya kabisa Vicky, as we wind up because of our time is ending, what are some of the challenges that we are passing through and how are we going to address them?
I don't understand.
Some of the challenges which is hindering these implementations.
I'm sure that we have the way to implement all this because if we believe something,
yes,
if we have a correct program which is useful for all of us,
yes,
from the central government till the farmers, till everyone, the youth, everyone, why not? Need only to cooperate all together. If we not cooperate all together, we cannot succeed. I cannot do all this alone, or only with you or with Vicky. We must cooperate to have on the table the strategic plan, A, B, C, D, which sector we start, which the next program, and after that to add on the table all our support that we start to implement it. Otherwise, sorry, we cannot do anything.
Thank you, Vicky. Now I would like you to give your last comment to the viewers so that you can give them hope as we end up.
yes.
Look, I don't like to give hope. Because when we say to give hope means that we say some words, some promises, and after that nothing. When you close the lights, finish. I'm not here special to this warm studio to give promises of hope. I am here to explain that what I done 13 years, of course at the time it's not enough to explain all this. They can visit the consulate of Kenya. It's easy to see what I done all these years and to see that I am trying to be useful and to speak with the results. Now I am here because I am optimist and sure that all this that we discuss, it's easy to implement. We have run more than the half of the distance.
Thank you.
So I am not politician. I'm economy diplomacy. Okay, so we need to focus on the economy.
Okay, thank you. Vicky, one can you
Yeah. Biamo no abategereria se mwarigereri mwaiguru no mu minto atebiro mu na Vicky panta sapuno igare very enthusiastic kotokonya to use opportunity abantu ba minto muri negesio munyore county nechi nyinga abudira chero china mwaigwa lakini na mumekiri na gakitu kora tugati cia na ndu metekera achire bune kwa ni riga wika kore ande wika ngakire mwakire mbia muno ekera achitira time na retete eshibima echalani ali prisons ande na tebete kanya kego ginko irare yende ko ndanya mache ko irare yende nkoretare
ngo twakonyekere
already mwarorire ebintu ansire gukora nande nchere kingo tena ki kusema na kutenda nande gaki mwarorire rama tukai komyatigarete nko basaba bagusiase mwabeta gaki nye kura yaino bunango cyo gonchuka na iga mwarorire kwenda kire constituency na kirase moko ngakira tukubwatirana na Viki mwe ochirega na bamorete konye kuba moteria togokora abantu bamintonto bubo takaime abana baitumba banyore chigasi abana baitumba ende ngumbu nchengo kwana na gokora nande mbia mono gwakira professor kama vice chancellor ya Kisii University egasi ngetogende togokora nere mwaro chino na ICT egia muna twakwana tene president yaito guru ntoko mocha ntoko kwana tukata 500 million ICT ekaera ntugo no gokwana na magendero echi mil kura APS hali kimtai ko mwakira mbia mono na to achi mil kura na nante tina chale techinde torosi yoga to which support with
Biamono Fiki sari biru biarire ayo manjumari to kwa kirambia mane karkwera li bakari ya olia bene utubwati katwacha ketumuro biru to kwanda mange na ndana ali ngeto jokora kana ase county ya Kisii na sinsi to engima biamono karabo ni bane ba kwanira mange na ngeto gwesemiri ange kande ento ita omosiro yo ngama gaye kamera kono kino mali ogine chibicha go jira sinjira ya bene ni gakurukwa chonke pati Nigeria ne Brighton Makoli
etekeyemo egentonko basaba naigwa wiki gocha chumaine oyo minto Raila Amolo Odinga no akari gusiana mata karwa andi buna maitende ko kasi ya mata buna na basabe kura yane gakinere na musabire oyo minto mata wangare karwa na Raila Amolo Odinga
mbemono manjumuri bine birangara vya Viki nero sabiro ya kwa kereko ko konde ntundi Steve niko tega yabana abakenya masoke mwakere kura oli morojo ra waretera magendo tikomo tware chinga kichingia ere dariane Brighton Makoli.